Alright, in this video we're going to look at slope intercept form and how we can actually use it to create an equation given a point and a slope or 2 points. So let's go ahead and take a look first at the equation itself. Here we have a y and we have an x, which is just a general y and a general x for any point on the line. We have m, which is the representation of our slope, so we can write in slope here, which really is just rise over run if we're going to be graphing it. And then we have this b, which is our y-intercept. So it's where our line crosses our y-axis. So let's take a look at this first example, and we can see how we can use this form, y equals mx plus b, in order to find the equation that passes through the point 3,5 and has a slope of 1/3. So we come here and we have y equals mx plus b, and what we're going to do is we're going to plug in our x, our y, and our m. So our y is 5, so this is a specific point on our line, and really what we're going for is we're looking to find the y-intercept. So our slope is 1/3, and we're going to multiply, I'll just put it as 3 over 1, which is 3, plus b. So really what we're doing is we're just solving for b, and as we said before, b is our y-intercept. So 1/3 times 3 is 1, and so we have that 5 equals 1 plus b. Subtract 1 from both sides, and we get 4 equals b. So now we can come and in a general form of our equation, we can say y equals, and then we fill in what we have, this 1/3 x. As we mentioned before, the x and the y are just general points on the line, plus our y-intercept of 4. Okay, so let's say we don't have our slope yet. We're going to just have to add in one extra step of finding our slope and then doing the exact same process. So in order to find the slope, we need our equation of slope equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now really that's just a fancy way of saying we are going to take the y value of our second set, which is -3, and we are going to subtract the y from our first set, which is 1, and then we're going to take the y of our second set, which is 4, and we are going to subtract the x of our first set, which is -2. Okay, so we take a look and we say -3 minus 1 is -4, and 4 minus a -2 is basically the same as saying 4 plus 2, which is 6. We reduce that down to -2 over 3. Don't lose that negative, it's important. Okay, so we have that m equals -2/3. So now we come to our slope intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And what we're going to do is we are going to plug in one of the points. We get to choose which one, so we'll just choose the -2, 1. And we have our slope here. So we say 1 equals -2/3 times -2 over 1 plus b. So we're going to solve for our y-intercept. So we have 1 equals a negative times a negative is a positive 4 over 3 plus b. Subtract 4/3 from both sides. Now don't get super confused here, because 1 minus 4/3 is just saying 3 over 3 minus 4 over 3, which is 1 minus 4 is a -1 over 3. So we have that our y-intercept is -1/3. Okay, so we have this y-intercept, we have our slope, so then we can come and write it in our general form of saying y equals our slope, -2/3 x minus 1/3. So there you go. If you have any comments that you would like to make, you can add those on the bottom. And if this was helpful to you, go ahead and like my video. And you can check out some of the other videos that I have posted on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.